Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to access marketplace on Facebook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. So first of all, open your Facebook, then here you will find the marketplace option, and sometimes we can't find the marketplace option on our Facebook. So for that, all you have to need, just go to help and support and then click on report a problem and click on something went wrong and how can we improve. From here select marketplace, and now here you have to describe your problem. So for example, I'm typing so here you can see I have attached a little description here, and after that you can add a screenshot showing up that marketplace option not available on your profile, and then click on submit. And as soon as possible, Facebook will fix your problem and you will be able to access your marketplace on Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.